Can you solve this P6 marble question? Pause the video if you want to try this on your own because we are going to solve it right now. Okay, so we know that Tim and David had the same number of marbles. Tim had some large marbles and 34 small marbles. The total mass of his marbles was 3.562 kg. And then now, David had some large marbles but only 62 small marbles. And more importantly, each large marble was 3.5 grams heavier than each small marble. What was the total mass of David's marbles? So we are trying to find the total mass of David's marbles in kg, but we don't have the weight of the large marbles or the small marbles. We only have the total mass. So let's go and start to draw the model for Tim and David. Okay, so for Tim, he has this amount of marbles, and likewise for David, he will have the same amount, same number of marbles. Okay, so the model will look like this. Tim had some large marbles and only 34 small marbles. So I'll put the 34 here. Total mass, 3.562 kg. Okay, so this is 3.562 kg. And David had some large marbles, but 62 small marbles. So slightly more at here, 62 small marbles. Okay, then let's also draw another model for large versus small marble. Okay, so the large marble is obviously heavier, so the model will be longer. Okay, so we'll draw it like this. Okay, and the difference here will be 3.5 grams. Okay, so now let's take a look. We have 34 small versus 62 small. Okay, now in order to find the total mass of David's marbles in kg, we need to rely on the difference of the large versus small here. So let's take a look at this line. We know that it is 34 small and 34 small. So at this line, they have the same mass. Okay, for the large, even though I don't know how many large marbles he have, based on the model, I can tell that this will be the same number, so same mass. Now for the middle, there will be a difference. There will be a difference in the mass. Why? Difference in mass. Because here is large, here is small. Okay, so what is the difference? How much is the difference? We know that it is 62 minus 34, which is 28. So what is this difference? This difference is the difference in 28 large minus 28 small, because they have the same number of marbles. So there must be 28 in the large compared to 28 small, based on the model. Now we know that 1 large minus 1 small marble is 3.5 grams. This was given to us, and that's where we get it from our model here. So to find 28, we just take 28 times 3.5 grams. Okay, 28 times 3.5 grams, this will be 98 grams, or divide by 1000 because 1000 grams is 1 kg. So this is 0.098 kg. And all we have to do to find David's total mass of marbles is 3.562 kg minus 0.098 kg, which will give us 3.464 kg. So our answer is 3.464 kg. Okay, and that's how you solve this question. Okay, if you enjoyed what you have seen so far, do remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.